Okay, so you convinced me to do a tutorial on how I'm going to make this pineapple juice. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to empty all this stuff into this, all of it. And then, not this, I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna take all this stuff, this scrap, put it in there, wash it off, put it in there. All of that. I think I want to put some ginger in there. This is like ginger I got from Jamaica. Regular ginger. Follow the lead, make way ginger. Washing. Boom. Here we go. All right, gonna clean up the ginger and washed and clean and sliced in half. Smell nice? Ooh, you don't say ginger lick out bad feeling in gas, right? Some more ginger, and then I feel like getting a little bit fancy with this. So hold the line, caller. Be right back. How about what's this? What is this? This is Crimson Magic. This is amazingness. This, man, it's sorrel. Gonna put some sorrel in there. Sorrel, pineapple, ginger. Man, I'm done with sorrel. Sorrel is what we call here in America hibiscus. When I say hibiscus, I have a whole other thought about. It looks like a flower. It has like a little pointy thing out the middle. Sorrel, ginger, and pineapple. And then, what the hell? Sorry, it's kind of taking a while. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Just all this stuff in water. And what I'm going to do is put it on the stove and steep it for a while. That's all. Whoa. Yes. Well, what do we have here? Oh, already crimson. Gorgeous. Whoa, I wish you could smell that. A full day has passed. The pineapple peel and the sorrel has been steeping for a day and a couple hours. So maybe we'll finish making this juice, which is no longer pineapple juice. I just want to make something. So let's just make some. I'm gonna make some. This is what we have. All right. I have no idea who I'm actually going to do this. Ooh. It smells amazing. I mean, I could just stop here, but I'm a little bit extra. Move this. Nice, you see? I feel like I can't be done with the trash just yet though. So I've got like an idea. Very extra. What if I put it in this and then let's put some of the stuff in here? Whoa! Alright, that did not turn out the way I wanted it to. You know what? Maybe this is me honoring the feeling that it's almost Christmas. It's almost Christmas. Deck the halls with boughs of fa la 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 la. Yeah, man, it's almost Christmas. That's what I'm feeling. Let's go with this. So this is now officially no longer pineapple juice. It's a Christmas drink. I feel like we need a little bit more things. So let's do mint. Chop it. Put it in there. What else can I put in this? Lemon. By the way, the acidic properties of this particular fruit to a Jamaican is the same thing. So even though this is a lemon, we'll call it lime. Lime, lemon. Is it sour inside? This feel like a lot of work. I've never been good at this, but one more. All right, cut a piece of this lemon. The world's most gargantuan piece of ginger. What is this? What is this? I don't know what this juice is gonna turn out to be. And then B. Whoa, sexy. Yes. This is supposed to be so that I don't put a whole lot of sugar in this juice. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll see. In there. And water and blend. Blending time. Oh, snappity snap. Listen, my blender is like half dead. Okay. Oh, snap, it's leaking. This is unfortunate. Okay, pause. Well, I was hoping to make juice, not a mess. Seems I've, wow. Maybe I should plug this out. Just great. Let's finish our juice. Let's just get every piece of juice out of this. I can hear my mother saying, "You're not squeezing good enough." So I'm gonna do this. So on Sundays in Jamaica, definitely in my house, we would make our Sunday dinner. Sunday dinner is normally like some kind of protein, chicken, oxtail, goat meat, rice and peas, and our version of a salad, which is normally like cabbage and carrot, almost like a dry slaw. Everything in coleslaw except the actual mayo, and there's always some kind of juice. All right, I'm done squeezing. So once you're done with the squeezing, it's time for the sweetening. Sugar. Sugar kind of hard still. Sugar. And this is entirely to taste. Instant. That is perfection. I'm gonna call this like a pineapple sorrel cooler. It does not have alcohol in it. It should, it will. This is what you get when you have a random afternoon and you decide to buy a pineapple and peel it yourself. And then somehow the skins make its way into juice. This is so good. It's nice, bad. Thanks for watching my TED Talk. Yeah, that's all I have. Bye. Both are so excited. Bye.